Oh, hello there. Welcome to TP in India.
I've got something to share. Pull up a chair. Haha, gotcha. I know everyone's weight. I just don't judge. Okay, enough chair jokes.
For 25 years, my grandfather, father, and now I've had the best seat in the house.
Back then, there were only a few in my family. Today, there are more than 90,000 of us. I've watched something incredible happen here. First, let me show you around. Ooh, there's a meeting going on.
All right, guys, enough rolling around. I am the bedrock of this boardroom. For years, I've tabled thousands of conversations. First ideas, big decisions, new tech partnerships.
Yeah, we know you moved the needle. You helped ideas become plans, and then success stories. Actually, let me sketch it out. 22 cities, 44 sites, from Delhi to Chennai and Mumbai to Kolkata. New TP offices kept popping up across India.
Whoa, that's entire India. Way too big for me. My head's spinning. I'm gonna sit this one out.
You want in on the real tea? Come closer. Who got the latest promotion? Who just celebrated their 10th work anniversary? Every background, every story, all finding their way to each other via me. Did they tell you that we're the largest multicultural team in the entire TP group? Yeah, you're welcome. I know everything that happens in this office.
Okay,
Everything.
enough chit-chat. Let's go say hello to the awards cabinet. Disclaimer, they like to brag.
Finally, this is where the bling is. Big Innovation Awards, recognized twice.
Guys, Globee Awards for Business Services, 5 times.
Best workplaces for women, 6 years in a row.
Guys, please, make room. Great place to work here. Recognized 12 times. They had to build a second shelf just for us.
See what I mean? But in all fairness, they've earned it. Oh, it's almost the start of the day. Didn't even realize. Another day. Another story waiting to begin. After all, I'm just a chair. The real story has always been the people who sit here, who show up, and make TP what it is. They're the ones who turned the last 25 years into a legacy. And the best part? We're just getting started.